upbeat music plays. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the steaming world of floor cleaning. That's right, we're comparing the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop and the Shark Steam and Scrub all-in-one scrubbing, hard floor steam mop. So if you have pets, kids, or just a strong aversion to dirt, this is the video for you. Let's see which mop can take your floor from you to awe without breaking a sweat, or your budget. Spoiler alert, both are under $150, but only one can reign supreme in the battle of the mops. First up, let's talk dollars and cents. The Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop is priced at $144, while the Shark Steam and Scrub comes in at a steal of $139. So if you're on a tight budget, the Shark wins this round by a whole $5. Reviewers appreciate the value for money with Shark for its innovative features, while Bissell is seen as a great investment for those needing versatility and effectiveness in cleaning pet messes. Now, I don't know about you, but my pet thinks the floor is their personal playground. That's where the Bissell shines. With its two-in-one design, it tackles messes both on and above the floor. Reviewers have praised how well it cleans old linoleum and effectively removes dirt from grout without chemicals. On the other hand, the Shark is tough on stains, with some users noting its effectiveness on wood floors, but it may struggle with pet messes. While the Shark is rated high for its scrubbing abilities, it's not specifically designed for pet owners, which may be a drawback for some. Let's steam things up. The Bissell packs a punch with 1,500 watts of power and eliminates 99.9% of germs and bacteria. Reviewers highlight how it provides deep cleaning and quick drying times. The Shark, however, claims to provide up to 2x better stain removal compared to traditional steam mops. With over 150 scrubs per minute, it's like the little mop that could. Users have noted its effectiveness in disinfecting with steam alone, making it a formidable competitor, especially for households prioritizing cleanliness. Now let's talk about features. Bissell comes with 13 versatile tools, including fragrance discs, making it a hit among those who want a fresh-smelling home while cleaning. Reviewers love the range of attachments for different cleaning tasks. The Shark, on the other hand, boasts 3 steam modes and powerful LED headlights, allowing you to see the dirt you're about to conquer. Its adjustable settings and lightweight design make it user-friendly, especially for those with mobility issues. However, some users do mention limitations regarding corner cleaning and water visibility. In summary, the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop is highly praised for its versatility and effectiveness in handling pet messes, while the Shark Steam and Scrub is recognized for its innovative design and scrubbing capabilities. Both have their strengths, catering to different cleaning needs and preferences. So who's the ultimate steam mop champion? If you're a pet owner looking for versatility and a strong, germ-fighting machine, the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop might just be your best friend. But if you want a sleek design and scrubbing power, the Shark Steam and Scrub is a solid contender. In the end, it all comes down to your needs. Remember, whether you go with Bissell or Shark, you'll be mopping like a pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product comparisons. Happy cleaning, and may your floors always be spotless. Product links are in the description.